Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks very much for watching that earwax removal video today. This is actually a really dry skin removal. This is actually a really dry skin peel. This is one of Taylor's patients. I haven't seen this one. I apologize if I get excited watching it because I do love a good wax removal. Let me get rid of the mouse because I do talk with my hands a lot. So what you can see here, Taylor's tried to get this out with a little bit of suction. It's not really budging. So what he's doing now, he's opting for the right hook. So he's going to go in and try and peel down that top section there. You can see him pushing it down, and then he's got that twist at the end, and what he's hoping is going to happen is it's going to hook around as it did, but really hold its integrity and be able to pull this out. But he's managed to fold it forwards, and we can see that the vast majority of this ear canal, the entrance to this canal, was blocked with this really tough old bit of bit of skin, sorry, that's lifted up into the front there and just blocked the ear canal. There you go, out that's come. Let's take a look beyond it. Eardrum looking nice and healthy. That is a spot on light reflex there as well. Really, really good little light reflex. Now this doesn't look as bad. There's got a little bit here at the entrance, but they will always be quite deceiving, these kind of ones. These are the ones you start off peeling a little bit and it peels all the way down to your boots. It's a bit like when you got a little bit of quick on the side of your nail, you peel it and it goes halfway down your arm. So that's what happens with these kind of things. Fine end on here. Why is he using the fine end, everybody? It's because he doesn't want a clarinet. So basically what he's doing is he's using a smaller tube to reduce the diameter of the tube, which is going to reduce the likelihood of the skin vibrating up and down in the end of the tube like that, which causes it's very high-pitched shrill whistle, which isn't particularly pleasant. And that way then, by using a smaller diameter, it's less likely to do that. So it just got this really, and you can see this is dry. This is, it looks like cling film. So it's got that kind of cling film appearance to it. And that way then you know this is paper dry, that's the wrong word. Bone dry, that's the word. He's opted to put opted to put a little bit of oil on. Oh my goodness me, you could tell us last thing. It's been a particularly busy day. He's opted to put some olive oil, there you go, inside the ear canal. And what that allows it to do is basically, it just helps when you peel this away, it stops it from reforming. But look how far back that peel goes, for right to the entrance to almost down on top of the eardrum there, guys. So we're just gonna lift this front section here. Oh, now you're at a quandary now. You've got that little bit of lift. Do you go in with a set of forceps and try and grab it and pull it? Or is it too brittle? Difficult to tell just by watching the video, unfortunately. You as audiologists, when we're doing these types of things, you can look back and think, oh, well, maybe I could have used this tool, or maybe I could use that tool. But the difficulty is you're not in the moment. So you don't really know what it's like when you're getting a grip. There you go, forceps. When you get a grip on it, sometimes you'll find it's a little bit too brittle and it doesn't grab hold of it particularly well. Let's see if we can pull this. Ooh, that didn't come away. That's a difficult angle to get both jaws on. Oh, he's done it though. He's got it. There was a little pinch point in the middle there. Whoa, look at that coming away. That is epic, fair play. And it looks really, really healthy beyond that. It's much, much better. So we have 2.5 centimeters, bang on 1 inch of skin there, guys. That long peel right in the middle, see that slightly translucent, almost cling filmy little bit of skin there. That was the bit that sort of was going all the way down the canal as well. Guys, thanks very much for watching this video again today. If you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for me. That would be absolutely fantastic. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members of the channel. That way then you get to see even more videos every single week. I know. But until then, guys, I shall see you for the next one. But take care of yourselves. Take care of your ears, and most importantly, take care of one another as well. And I shall see you for the next episode. Bye, everyone.